This video will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called Web Search Sport. WebSearchSport.com is a hijacker that changes certain crucial browser settings. For instance, it may amend the default search engine of your Google Chrome browser. Very often, this particular hijacker, Web Search Sport, is spread through being integrated with some free applications. So people tend to download and install this hijacker pretty unintentionally. Now, this is why it is also correctly classified as a potentially unwanted application. When you start submitting some search queries, you may notice that the results are provided by some strange search engine that has not been chosen by you initially. So, such hijackers may also spy on the user's browsing activities, collect personal details about people, and perform other illegal actions. So what you need to do is to go to the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. You now need to disable and delete any third-party extensions that you find here. This is the key to effective removal of any browser hijackers. Now, I also recommend that you additionally examine your system with a combo cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software. Then, after the program is successfully downloaded and installed, start the application and wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the thorough analysis of your computer. You'll see the summary of threats at the end of scan. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threads, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threads and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific thread. So you may go to this location of thread on your Mac computer and get rid of this thread one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.